You just spent 45 minutes watching your AI coding agent churn out 600 lines of code. You merge it, the CI fails, and you're stuck debugging code you didn't write for a feature you barely understand. The real issue isn't the volume of code, it's the rework. AI agents often skip tests and hardwire dependencies because they lack workflow discipline. A 2025 study from Meter found that agents spend 68% of their output on code that gets rewritten or deleted within the same sprint. To solve this, we can use Superpowers. It's a framework of 14 composable skills that installs directly into agents like Claude Code or Cursor. It runs locally as a set of instructions that enforce professional development habits on every task. To get started, you need an AI coding agent, Git installed on your system path, and a local project repository. It works with any language or framework you're already using. By enforcing this workflow layer, the agent stops acting as a raw text generator. It adopts a systematic approach that includes planning and testing, which prevents the messy output that usually causes downstream failures. Step 1 is the installation. If you're on Claude Code, you can add these skills by running the official Marketplace install command in your terminal. Once it's installed, verify the behavior by asking the agent to design a notification system. Notice that the agent no longer starts writing code immediately. Instead, the brainstorming skill activates. The agent begins asking clarifying questions about your data model and user preferences to ensure the requirements are locked in. You answer these questions to refine the design. The agent will propose specific architectural approaches and wait for your approval on each section before moving forward. This diagram shows the early stages of the Superpowers workflow. After the design is finalized, the agent automatically saves a formal markdown specification document into a dedicated plans directory in your project. Investing 10 minutes in this design phase is the most effective way to prevent bugs. Because the agent must validate the design first, it avoids building on top of incorrect assumptions. Step 2 is to initiate the planning phase. You tell the agent, let's plan this implementation, which triggers the Git worktree skill. A Git worktree allows you to have multiple branches checked out at the same time in separate directories. The agent will perform a mandatory safety check to ensure your worktree directory is added to your Git ignore file. This prevents temporary workspace files from being committed to your main repository. This visual represents the fragmentation process. The agent takes the approved specification and breaks it into small 2 to 5 minute implementation tasks, each with its own file paths and verification steps. This isolated workspace is completely separated from your main project tree. This means you can build new features in the work tree while keeping your primary branch clean and stable. Using this isolation tactic allows for parallel development. You can have the agent work on a complex module and its own work tree while you continue making manual adjustments to the main codebase without risk of a merge conflict. Step 3 is starting the execution loop. You give the agent the command to implement the plan, which triggers the sub-agent-driven development skill. The agent creates a tracking list and dispatches isolated sub-agents for every task in the plan. Each sub-agent is given only the specific context it needs to complete its assigned unit of work. This cycle illustrates the test-driven development, or TDD engine. TDD is a workflow where you write a failing test before writing any code. The agent writes the test, watches it fail, writes the minimal code to make it pass, and then optimizes the result. As the agent works through the list, it generates a history of verified passing tests. This provides an audit trail showing that every function performs exactly as intended before the next task begins. Resist the urge to intervene while the subagents are working. The framework includes a 2-stage review process, where one agent checks for specification compliance and another checks for code quality once the task is done. Enforcing this red-green refactor cycle is what changes the quality of the output. By making the agent write the test first, you ensure the code is stable and ready for a production environment. Step 4 is the wrap-up. Once all tasks are complete, you use the trigger phrase, "Let's merge this," to activate the branch finishing skill. This image shows the final result. The agent runs the full test suite one last time, deletes the temporary work tree, and prepares a clean merge into your main branch. This workflow changes the time requirements for a typical feature. Instead of a senior engineer spending 3 hours cleaning up AI code, they spend 20 minutes on design approval and 10 minutes on a final review. You can scale this by adding more advanced skills, like systematic debugging to find root causes for production errors, or custom checklists to ensure every merge meets your company's deployment standards. When you deploy this framework, your AI agent begins operating with the discipline of a senior developer. It moves away from guessing and follows a structured, testable process. To begin, you can find the Superpowers repository on GitHub.